You're back for another episode of Tank Top Cooking. Some olive oil, some beef broth, chicken broth. Okay, get yourself some diced tomatoes, some Parmesan cheese, a measuring cup. You're gonna need some warm water too. Okay, we're gonna need some brown sugar here. Okay, right on. Get yourself an onion, whatever onion you want. Grab yourself, oh geez, probably some garlic. Okay. Spices. Grab yourself some basil leaves, Italian seasoning, crushed red peppers, some salt, some all-purpose flour, okay? Grab yourself some mushrooms, some green peppers. Hey man, I'm going with a pizza pack. Why not? Okay, and grab yourself some cheese. Okay. That's a few things you're gonna need for what we're doing here. Hey, you're also gonna need a pizza pan, man. Yeah, and grab yourself some yeast. Rapid rise would be good, but hey, man, I'm just going traditional. All right, okay, right on. Grab that yeast. You know that fast rise stuff would probably be good too, but I don't know, man. Traditional, why not? Okay, so get yourself your bowl there. Oh. Give that about, oh geez. Tea, going with two and a smidgen teaspoons, okay? Toss that on in there, okay? Now, I don't think it really much matters what kind of sugar you're going with here, but we're going with some brown sugar, right? Okay, so we're gonna throw in, oh, how about 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Alrighty, okay, grab that beef broth here. I put it in, already got it. I put in a half cup of beef broth and I filled up the rest 1 1/4 cup, right? And then what you're gonna wanna do is go hop on over to the microwave, right? Okay, and toss it in because you want warm water. So we're just gonna warm that up, toss that in, and knock on wood that it blooms, and then yeah, we'll go on to the next step. Hey guys, it's kind of bubbling away there, so you know I think it's kind of getting there. All right, so I'm gonna kind of wait. I'm gonna give it, oh geez, I don't know, maybe half an hour. Why not? Oh, hey guys, man, a little technical mishap there with the dough here. What you want to do is you want to throw in about 3 cups of flour and mix it up, and throw in a little bit of Parmesan cheese in the dough, and some herbs and garlics and that kind of stuff, and then you start mixing it up. Okay, right on. Okay, sorry on that technical mishap, but hey, there you go. Well, there you have it, guys. That's our pizza dough, man. Right on. Good stuff. Okay, now I'm just going to let this sit for, oh, geez, till it rises. Okay, right on. Another little tip for you here. When you're letting it sit, just put a little bit of olive oil on the top, and a little bit on the bottom of your bowl there, just so that your dough stays nice and, you know, doughy like. Okay, right on. Grab that onion, man. Okay, and your garlic, probably, oh geez, 3-4 cloves, and just cut them up into small thin pieces. Okay, get yourself a skillet. Okay, right on. Toss a little bit of olive oil in there. Turn her up to, oh, say medium. Throw your onions and your garlic in there. Okay, grab those diced tomatoes. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm throwing these in a blender. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is take your, just a little one more. Your tomatoes, your puree, okay? We'll get all fancy with it now. Toss that on in there. Oh yeah. Woo! A little bit of, I saw this chick do this with chicken broth, but you know what? I'm using beef broth and a little bit of red wine. Why not? Ooh, yep, 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 yep. Okay, right on, guys, right on. Okay, we're gonna bring that to like a decent simmer there. Toss in a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Oh, geez, I don't know, about a tablespoon-ish. Okay, throw that in, and then you know what? Why not, man? Throw in some more Italian seasoning. Yeah, probably about, oh geez, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon or maybe a good teaspoon of brown sugar. Well, I'm gonna go probably 2 teaspoons-ish. Okay, and then a little bit more red wine. Why not? Ooh yeah. And then we're just gonna bring that to a decent simmer. You don't have to let this go all day long, but oh, I don't know. Oh man, Jesus, this smells so good, guys. I'm telling you, this is gonna be delish. Okay, so I'm gonna let that go. Probably, oh, I don't know, maybe a half hour to let it just simmer. Okay, right on. While you got that going on, our dough has been rising real nice, guys. It is looking good. Okay. What I'm doing here, I'm doing this right on my baking pad, because that's where it's going to go. Just throw a little flour down. Just a little bit. You don't need to get carried away there. Just throw a little bit of flour down. Okay. Mix that up. Your flour surface. A little bit of olive oil. Okay. Got that? Get that all kind of mixed up in there. Grab yourself your dough. Oh yeah. Right on. Woo! Okay. And then what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna make a pizza, man. So just kind of push it out. Push it on out. Okay, here's a little tip for you guys. You could use plastic wrap, or you just use something like this. Just cover it up. Let that sit for about half an hour. Okay, right on, man. Grab your mushrooms, your bell pepper, you know, whatever you want to use for your fixing. Pizza pack, man, because that's what we're doing. Pizza, it'll work. Okay, cool. And then, yeah, man, grab yourself a grater, you know. And what I am using here is I am grating up some mozzarella cheese. Oh yeah. You know, you can get that stuff that's like, you know, in a bag too, but, you know, why not? Why not just grate up your own stuff here too? Then you know what's going on, right? Okay, oh yeah. Don't be shy with the cheese, man. We need lots of cheese. So, oh. Well, dog just loves it when the cheese comes out, I tell you. Okay, right on. Our pizza crust is looking pretty good. So what we're gonna do here now, it's been about half an hour. Just gonna pour that tomato paste over to the top. We've been working on. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Okay. There we go. A little bit out there. Toss some cheese on. Ooh, yeah. Sprinkle it around. Okay, then I'm going to put some mushrooms on there. I love mushrooms, man. And then just throw your meat on. I'm throwing some pepperoni, a little bit of salami. Okay, and then what I might do right over the top, throw some green pepper. Okay, and then what I am gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese just on the top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm gonna go 400. Oh, geez. Probably about 17 minutes, and then we're gonna dig in. Hey guys, while we're waiting for that to cook here, man, I'll give you a little wine review. I got this Smoky Bay winery here at the BC liquor store, the government liquor store here. And it's a Cabernet Sauvignon, so it's pretty good. BC Select Pick. And where's it from? Southeastern Australia. Huh, alright. Well, hey, Australia, we're open to free trade with you guys too, right? I like that, well, you guys know what I'm talking about with down south one. He's kind of funny though, isn't he? Hey, I forgot, man. A wine review. You guys probably want to hear the review, okay? So here. Smells good. A little swirl. You gotta spit it out, right? Not bad. Kind of dry. And I like dry wine, so it's good. Okay, anyhow. Not an overbite to it. It's pretty good, okay? Here, let's actually taste it this time. Like, I mean, like, you know, drink it. Pretty smooth with a little hint of oak. So, yeah, man, Smoky Bay, Southeastern Australia. Give it a try, man. Okay, man, that is like 12 minutes in. Holy Jesus, man. If you're from the Calgary area, that's reminding me of Stromboli's. Well, there you have it, man. Pizza, right on. Good stuff. Thick crust, look at that. Look at that. All right. So, I'm going to give it about, I don't know, a couple minutes, and then I'm going to dig in. Okay, guys, you know I'm an honest dude here. This pizza's not ready here. So, you know what? We are going to get this up to 425 now. Okay? Give a little taste first, okay? And you know what? We're going to preheat this 425 and then we're going to throw it back in for, another 10 minutes, 5, 10. Alright, we're looking good. Alright, grab yourself a pizza cutter, that'll come in handy. Oh yeah. Maybe not this pizza cutter. Alright. Now, moment of truth. Edibility factor. Okay? It's definitely a soft pizza, I'll tell you that. So, it's got a nice crust. It's not hard, though. It's soft, so, yeah. Actually, you know what? It actually turned out not too bad. Mind you know, I had that little mess up there going on where I had to kind of put them back in for a little bit longer, but it turned out to be soft crust, and it's not bad. It's got that herb taste in it. Yeah, for my first pizza, I'm going to say success. It's pretty damn good, man. Give it a try. Right on. Thanks for watching another edition of Tank top cooking, man. Right on. Pizza, right on. Hey, everybody loves pizza, man. Well, that's how you do it. You guys, you know how it is. Every Mondays, Tuesdays, sometimes Fridays. Anyhow, you know what to do here. Hey, big thumbs up if you liked it. If not, well, stay tuned. Next week will be better. Okay, right on. You guys, be cool. Keep calm. Till next time.